Hey guys, welcome back to my...
Oh bloody hell, hit that.
Great start, Kirsty.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Different setup, different camera, different everything.
Wow, what's going on?
I'm baking.
Hi.
I thought I do makeup all the time. What else can I do? Bake. However, the whole family is home.
By that I mean my mum, my dad, my sister and her boyfriend is all here.
So I've kicked them out of the whole kitchen. I'm just here by myself, but I only have like half an hour. So I was like,
what can I make?
And I was like, oh my god, genius. Do you remember when you were a kid and used to make Rice Krispie cakes? Thing is, I haven't made them since I was about 11 years old, so let's see if I remember.
Probably won't.
I have no idea about the measurements, just gonna wing it, but hopefully it turns out okay. If you're excited for this video, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new here,
Yeah, turn my post notification bell.
and that way you don't miss any of my uploads. Social medias are in the description box below, and without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hey, first step, if I remember, is we need to boil some water. I'm a chef, Gordon Ramsay.
Who? Never heard of him.
That's gonna make a very loud noise in a minute. So I have this pan. I'm gonna simmer this water. I don't know how this is gonna work. And then I'm just gonna cut some butter. This is unsalted Tesco's original butter. This is really unhealthy. They used to have it on the back of like all the Rice Krispies things, I think. But now that like the world has gone really healthy, they don't let kids have that much butter anymore.
This is a lot of butter.
Well, half it. I'm gonna break these. I don't know how many Mars bars we need. I don't know how this is gonna go wrong, but I'm still gonna call it Beauty Guru Tries Baking Star.
Gone wrong.
I need views. I peel a few Mars bars.
Bloody hell, bloody hell, bloody hell.
Right, let's just leave that in there. It's making a weird noise, a bit scared. This is what we have going on right now. I used to make these every single Friday when I was like in year 7. That being said, I haven't made them since. Yeah, me and my friend, she used to come over to mine and we would just make these every single Friday.
What a little throwback.
I think they were supposed to be butter. Rice Krispies.
Can I speak?
Rice Krispies. I am going to... Oh, that seems like a lot of Krispies. Too much Krispies. Too much Krispies. Abort, abort. Going everywhere. I think it's March the 7th when I'm filming this. That means Easter's next month. So, look what I bought. This is actually my favorite chocolate, other than Kinder Buenos. I
Love Kinder Buenos.
These are supposed to go on like decorations, but I'm eating them.
Oh well.
I'm gonna put an apron on because this coat's too nice to ruin. I just spilt it everywhere. Oh, bloody hell. Do you want to see how it's going along, Holly?
I don't think it's going on very well.
Ew, what the fuck is that? No, stop, you're gonna ruin it. But it's disgusting. Holly, it's not done yet. Yeah, it doesn't look great. It looks like, you know, like a boona. You know, like a boona curry. Like a chili con carne.
Yes.
Wait, guys, it actually is melting down more. Sorry about that little interlude. That was my sister and her boyfriend. Wait.
This could actually work, guys.
I'm as surprised as you are.
Oh, maybe not.
This is taking a bloody long time.
I think that's the most British sentence I've ever said in my life.
Come say hi. Them.
Hi.
Guys, it's actually melted down really well. How did I manage that? How? I think I'm just a genius. I think in my past life, I was definitely either a chef or a unicorn. Ah, top. But if I was a chef, I'd be like a Gordon Ramsay chef, like a famous chef, you know what I mean? I'd be a sick chef. Okay, I think this is done. And before it hardens, we need to pour it in. Oh shit, it's dribbling, it's dribbling.
Oh no, it got on my phone.
Oh no, too many Krispies. How did I mess up this part?
You just mix it together.
It was going so well.
Sure, Jan.
Maybe I can actually call it Beauty Guru Tries Baking Star. Gone wrong. My hands are clean, don't worry. I need to put them into little cupcake holders. Yeah, we definitely needed more of that Mars bar thing, but oh well, you win some, you lose some, I guess. That's a big one. That's a Mount Everest. Guys, story. When me and my sister were little kids, we used to make cupcakes with our nanny. She was like babysitting us one day, like at night, and we made cupcakes.
No shit, Sherlock.
She made this one massive cake and she called it Mount Everest. She was like so excited. Then we went out to Pizza Express for dinner and she came back and my dad had eaten her cake and she was like crying. And that's my little story for you. We're almost done now. We'll just put a couple of eggs. Wow, beautiful. Oh my gosh, no way. Did I make those? Yeah, I did. Wow. You're so talented, Kirsty. I know, right? How did I possibly make these beautiful creations? I'm gonna take the mini eggs off because I've just eaten like 30,000 of those. I'm just gonna tuck in. Very buttery. It's good though.
I really thought I'd burn the house down.
But I didn't. Subscribe. I guess this is a success. I think we're done. That was easy. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new here. Turn on my post notification bell as well, and that way you don't miss any of my uploads. And yeah, if you want to see more of my face, follow in my social medias, description box. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
Right, now let's get the thumbnail.